Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play the Christmas carol Patapan. Now some people know this as Willie, Take Your Little Drum. To start out, place your right hand thumb on middle C, your pointer finger on D, middle finger on E, ring finger on F, and your pinky on G. For your left hand, place your thumb on B, pointer finger on A, your middle finger will go on the black key called G sharp. Your ring finger will be on F and pinky on E. All set? Let's do it. If you would like to print out the free sheet music for Patapan, head over to my website, pianosongdownload.com. There's a link to the sheet music in the video description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.